boy. Look at my boy. Nike box. Grapes, anybody?
You just came from Indiana.
Came from Indiana? So they got one in Oregon, Indiana, and then Memphis, right?
I just did overnight.
As far as I know.
Or whatever it was NY. They had something called
So packaging, as y'all see. Packaging.
But they come from the.
By the box, you might be able to tell what it is. We was contemplating on these, but he wouldn't have made that. He wouldn't have made that call. This right here gonna make your boy get him. This gonna make your boy get him. YouTube. Let's see. Ooh, they nice, man. Yeah, man. The material is. Yeah. They look beautiful.
Call me Tarzan, baby.
Tarzan.
Yeah.
Let me see the back, bro. Let me see that zebra print, man. Ooh, Lord have mercy.
Amen.
Yeah, man. It's nice, man.
Amen.
Nice. You got that leopard. You got that cheetah. And it's supposed to say something in the middle, inside saying it's real. Now, y'all know it say instinct behind the tongue, but it's supposed to show like it's real fair or something. In the inside. You know what I'm saying? Might be another shoe. I look at them, get a close look at these things, man. If y'all ain't never seen them, I know some of y'all don't seen them, but you ain't seen Sneaker Edition done do these things, man. My boy Rob shoes. Whew. You know, for a lot of people be hating on these, man, these are fire.
From Brazil.
Straight from Zamunda.
Wakanda.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that Zamunda, Wakanda.
Wakanda forever!
Well, these are nice, man. You know you got satin right there, right?
Yeah.
That's satin on the tongue, man. With that gum bottom. Rob, what you think about it, man?
Man, straight five, man.
Yeah, baby. I gotta get him. I got to have him. See, wifey's over there. Look, they don't understand. Too late, y'all in there. Y'all ain't no sense you're running. I ain't deleting that.
Took a long enough to listen.
God damn it. Whew. Now your boy got caught because it's my first time seeing him in hand, y'all. You know, I said it was a shoe that was dope, but I didn't know how it was gonna be. And I seen that was setting that day, and god damn it. I gotta get him. Immediately. Is that a word? Immediately. Whew. These fire. Anyways, YouTube, I just wanted to show you that my boy picked him up. You see him? He happy as a tomcat. Look at him. Yeah. He picked him up, man. So, you know, we're going to dress in him nice. Like we always do. One day I'll show you on feet. I don't know when that's going to be, but I'll show you on feet.
I ain't you.
I know.
I ain't you.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
Mine
yeah.
going.
No, don't you do that. Don't you do that.
On feet, yeah, I do. I don't wear them.
Oh, you trying,
They go
Mom?
on before you put yours on. Pine greens and your
I plead the
and
fifth.
your court purple still ain't even been laced up.
They might be sold soon. Might be sold soon. But yeah.